Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. And in this installment we have a set of Silverline hose clamps. We get a set of three, so we've got the big one here, which is the biggest, and then we have this middle one, and then we have the smallest one just here. They're all pretty good, they're made out of nylon. And I'll just give you the part number quickly, just so you've got it. The part number is 884693. That's the part number for these. If you want to find them, just type Silverline in that part number in, and you'll find them quite easily on the internet. They're pretty useful. As I said, they're made out of nylon. This is a fairly versatile little clamp, so they can be used in a wide variety of different hoses, from coolant lines to fuel lines to brake lines, and also vacuum hoses. They're not going to mar the pipe because they've got a plastic edge and they're not sharp at all. They're quite simple to use. All you do is you slide this plastic clip up to the top, open it up to its widest point, put it over said hose, and clamp it down. And once you get to the clamp you need, just pull this down and it'll lock in place and hold everything nice and firm. Obviously my fingers slipped out there quite easily, but a hose wouldn't, because it's got a bit more grip and you can just give it a bit more extra leverage to yank it down. You've got these lovely stoppers on the bottom as well to stop it from pulling all the way off, which is really annoying if that happened. They generally give you quite a good amount of clamping force. I've used these quite a fair bit, to be fair, and they've not really shown any sign of wear. These are the ones I normally use on flexible brake lines. I must add that these are only for flexible lines. They won't work on the hard lines, because you'll cross the hard line if you try and clamp it. So now to my final thoughts. They're very versatile little clamps. I've used them a great deal. I've really enjoyed using them. They haven't shown any sign of really deteriorating or wearing. They haven't damaged any pipes or anything I've clamped it onto, to be fair. You can be quite aggressive with them because they're not sharp. And that's why I'm going to give this set a score of 4 out of 5. So the Spanish should pop up just around here somewhere for you. And yeah, overall really good. Really pleased I've got them. And again, if you need a set of hose clamp pliers, I highly recommend these three. Size variety is really helpful. These ones here I normally use for bigger hoses like bottom of radiator hoses and stuff like that. Like I said, these are for brake and fuel lines. And these are nice in between size for different size hoses. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.